Hello everybody! Welcome to Valladolid. You can see the church off in the distance. That is what I call it. I don't know what the actual name is, but that is okay. So welcome to the room tour. We are at, what is it called? The Margarett Hotel?
Margarett Modern, I think.
Margarett Modern Hotel. We'll put the link in the description, make sure we get the name right. So come on in. Hi. Oh, it's dark. It's dark. And it's glorious. So, hey, there you are. Come on in. So you got 2 double beds, and hey kids, I didn't tell y'all yet, but they haven't had Wi-Fi reach to this town in Mexico yet. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's right here.
Ah, busted. There's Wi-Fi. So 2 double beds. You got a little closet desk combo. You got a television, and most importantly, you have aircon. So it's 1,700 pesos for 2 nights. So yeah, let's see the bathroom. Yeah, 220, 440, 660. So I'm gonna say it's like $35 to $37 a night. So super cheap, 24/7 coffee.
Kind of smells like an inside pool.
Ooh, it's an inside pool. Azul like the pool, so shower. As far as showers have gone in Mexico, that's pretty nice. We'll take it. I don't know. So basic accommodations for us to stay here, unlimited water. Got a little care package.
Some shampoo and there's a sewing
We
kit.
have a
Ooh.
sewing kit right
Yeah,
with
some
that.
facial soap.
What do you need a sewing kit?
We don't have one of these.
It's for you. So you boat. All right, cool. Oh, nice, because the plastic that everyone touches does not allow Corona to get anywhere, so that's nice. Do you unwrap it, or it's literally just
I
wrapped in
think you
plastic?
leave it wrapped and then they unwrap it when you leave and rewrap it for the next person.
Is this lotion?
I'm sure that's what happens. So, economical, seeing Valladolid so far. It looks super clean out on the streets. The cathedral looks beautiful. We're excited to check out Chichen Itza. And there's a cenote that you can walk to from our hotel. There's also a pool. We didn't know there was going to be a pool, so we're very excited to check that out. We're tired, and Ryder wants to jump on the bed. So, what do we say, everyone? See you. Adios. So we've happened upon 2 lizards living together and liking it. They seem like they're cuddling up for the night.
By the light also has a couple.
There's lots of couples here. Super zoom out.